Everybody loves to hear that they've performed a job well done, and we are no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. In short, it's always been our prime objective to make our customers happy. So when they write feedback like this and specifically mention the great customer service they received, it makes us feel like we're meeting that objective. But don't take their word for it. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.